Look at these fresh fruits. Aren't they beautiful? Up with the sun. Time to get to work.
I'm a farmer out in the sun, working hard till the day is done. I plant the seeds and water them too. Then I wait for the sprouts to come through. Dig, dig, dig the ground. Drop, drop, seeds all around. Splash, splash, water the row. Watch our little garden grow. Put on my boots and my farmer hat. Say hello to the cow and cat. Carrots, lettuce, apples and peas, growing with the help of bees. Dig, dig, dig the ground. Drop, drop, seeds all around. Splash, splash, water the row. Watch our little garden grow. The rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo. The sheep says baa, the pig says oink too. We all wake up with the morning light. Farming starts when the sky gets bright. Dig, dig, dig the ground. Drop, drop, seeds all around. Pick, pick, fruit so sweet.
Farming is hard
Let's wash
work.
our hands and eat.
But it's worth it.
I'm a farmer, that's what I do. I grow good food for me and
I'm a farmer. These are all the things I do.